million miles away. Yeah, I'm already gone.
Just let me out this sunlight. I love the way it makes me feel.
Hey y'all, I'm back with some human hair from my good friends over there at Reshine Hair. We have worked with them before and we really like them. So when they asked could they send us something else, I said yes. Okay, all I did was take this out of this packaging. So this is my first time seeing it with you guys. Ooh. All right, so not only did they send the wig, they also sent some stocking caps and an edge brush. That's it. Now this wig, I'm just reading right off the stickers, but like I said, look in that description box, you'll see all the details. Subscribe to. This is a kinky curly wig that is 22 inches long and it's 200% density. And if you look at that color, that's like a 99J. Why am I doing my mouth like that? All right, looks like you get a 13 by 6, I'm assuming, parting space. And this color is absolutely gorgeous, y'all. Comb to the right, comb to the left, comb at the top. There's that 13 by 6. You get a comb in the back too with some lace. Let's see what she look like before I cut the lace off. This wig is going to be so pretty. There's that hairline and that lace up close. What I'm gonna do is cut off this lace, play around with this wig, and then I'll come back with my final thoughts. All right, y'all, so I'm back with my final thoughts on this wig, and I can't lie. At first, I was a little nervous because I was like, this is a lot of hair, it's big hair, and then it's color. I don't know if I'm going to like it, and y'all, I absolutely love this wig. And y'all know, like I always say, I'm not a wig slayer, I'm a wig player. I really can't comb hair. I just, you know, enjoy playing in hair and switching up my look. And this gave me everything that I needed. It kind of reminds me of her. The singer, her hair, but like in this red color, if that makes sense. Yeah, okay. You know what I mean when I say her, the singer. Shut up. But yes, gorgeous hair, big hair. It does feel like a lot of hair. You know, I'm gonna be straight up with you. It does feel like a lot of hair. So when you wear this out, you don't need to be wearing it on a day when it's, you know, 118 degrees outside. You're gonna have a heat stroke. But Other than that, y'all, this is absolutely gorgeous. This is gonna be a bomb unit for fall too, like the color and all of that. I sprayed a little bit of water on it. That's all I did. And I scooped a few of those baby hairs and put a little bit of powder in that part, and that's what we got. It has already started to dry since when I wet it, and you can see when it dries, it, you know, comes back a little bit bigger. But y'all, I definitely 1000% recommend that you get this one from Reshine Hair. If you look in the description box, you'll see a code and a direct link to this gorgeous unit. Like I always say, maybe you're not even into wigs. Maybe it's her, maybe it's him, whichever one, send them my way. And me and Reshine Hair get them together, y'all. This is cute. Until next time, which will be very, very soon.